Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the GiantMouse ACE Biblio. It's a great little knife. I feel like I've been saying that about all of these Vox Onso designs, but they really do have great design sense. So anyways, here is the knife. Overall length is 6.75 inches, or 6 3/4 if you like. Here is the blade. Length on that blade is 2.875 inches. And it is Bohler M390. That is a huge, huge win at this price point. And M390 is a great steel. Hold an edge for dang near forever. And, this is a great design. You can choke up way up on that finger trail there. And you've got some nice jimping up here. So it'd be great for like feather sticking or carving or anything you want to do with a knife where working with wood, I would imagine, would be easy. Handle length is 3.875 inches, and it is G10 on this one with stainless steel liners. And you do have a wire pocket clip for right-handed or left-handed carry. And when you're carrying it, it looks like that much is going to be visible out of your pocket. Now, if you don't like the wire clip, you're crazy. Try it, give it another shot. It's honestly one of my favorite pocket clips out there. I think it's fantastic. Okay, overall weight is 4 ounces, and here is a tactical clothespin for size comparison. There you have it. Guys, go ahead and check this knife out at BladeHQ.com. We're super excited to have the GiantMouse knives in stock, and I think you're going to love them. Check them out at BladeHQ.com.